So no messing around, let's do a quick hair wrap. Hi my lovelies, it's Nisha. So today I wanted to show you how I do, like, well, maybe it's not 5 minutes, but near enough hair wrap. So mostly when I wash my hair, I don't film, I am not going anywhere special. I do this very often. And it is a really quick and cute, I suppose, hair wrap. So I've washed my hair. I've lost my white tooth comb somewhere and I can't find it for days now, so that's what I would use to brush my hair. But first of all, I'm going to spray this VO5 volume blow dry spray. I actually bought it when I was away because I didn't take with me any styling products. So I thought, I just popped into Boots and I found this and I really like it. So this is for amplified volume and thickness, and it also has heat defense in it. So I will spray that all over my hair before I brush it. It's very light, it doesn't weigh your hair down. Now I will brush it through. I have to use my wet brush, but it is wet brush, so you can use it on wet hair. But I normally prefer to use white tooth comb, which I can't find. And another product that I bought is the L'Oreal Elvive Dream Lens, and it's called No Haircut Cream. It helps seal split ends and reduces breakage, and I love that as well. Again, doesn't weigh your hair down. I take about that much, I rub it in my hands and I just spread it on the ends of my hair, and that has a heat protection in it too. I love it when they do that, so you don't have to use extra product for the heat protection. And that is my hair prepped. Now I'm going to use my Dyson hairdryer. I love this hairdryer. I know it's a ridiculous price, but it dries your hair like in seconds. So now I'm going to put my head upside down and just dry my hair completely. I'm obviously speeding up this process, but I would say it takes me about 3-4 minutes to dry my hair completely with this hairdryer. Okay, so my hair is completely dry. It might be slightly damp at the back, but that does not matter. Now I will take my Babyliss new big hair brush. This is optional. I only do it to smooth out the front a bit because, as you can see, the texture of my hair is very fluffy, and obviously my hair is bleached, so it's a bit dry at the ends. It doesn't feel dry, but it looks it. Okay, and now the last bit. I'm going to take this Denman brush. I really like it for back combing. I'm going to take a big section of my hair and just gently do this. Put a bit of hairspray on. I like the TIGI Bedhead mini mustard, not mini, this is mini, but it's called Masterpiece hairspray, because, you know, I like the height in my hair and my hair is quite flat. Then I take another sort of section on a diagonal, just to give me a bit of body on the sides. Wait for that hairspray to dry. Then you need one of these, what are they called? They're not crocodile clips, they jaw clips. Any one that is good for you. I like this one because, so if you have fine hair and you're looking for a clip like this, look for this hole to be quite small. You know, you have some that the hole is that big, and I don't have that much hair. So if you want this to stay tight on your head, this hole, when the clip is closed, should be quite small. Okay, now I'm going to gently smooth this. Now I'm going to take my hair, leaving this front hanging down, and this sometimes takes a couple of goes. I make sure that I don't brush my hair up, I sort of brush it down on the side. Then I grab it into a ponytail, then I twist it and I clip it. And this is like too tight now, so I'm going to pull out some hair because I like it to be quite loose and undone looking. Keep tightening the clip. Okay, so I'm happy with the height of it now. And now I take, I mean, sometimes I will just leave it like this, but sometimes I will just curl the front bit. So I take, you can take any curling iron. Split this in two. And just really quickly, because I don't want it to be too curly. When I do the front bit, I go quite close and away from my face to get a bit of lift. So I get this lift. Then do the same on this side. And there is your hair up done. I will sometimes smooth this a bit and maybe spray it with a bit of hairspray. And I love it when throughout the day sometimes pieces like this pop out. You could also pull those pieces and slightly curl them. So it looks very undone. I really like that sort of undone, messy look. And that's me done. I would say, without me talking, obviously, if I wasn't filming, this would probably take me 10 minutes. So it's a really, really easy, quick hairstyle, but it looks like you've spent a bit more time than that. I think it's cute, it's quite flirty and perfect for summer because your hair is up. And throughout the day, these drop tiny bits, so it starts looking, you know, I just woke up like this. Okay, my lovelies, I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.